Good evening, I'm Stan Boney. We begin tonight with the story of Genevieve Kuntz, born in the United States as it entered World War I. She lived through the Great Depression, World War II, Vietnam, and the battles of the Middle East. She was there for the advent of radio, television, computers, and cell phones. She also had both the Spanish flu in 1918 and the coronavirus in 2020. First News reporter Jacob Thompson has our top story at 10.
Genevieve Kuntz is 103 years old. She currently lives at the Shepherd of the Valley in Boardman, but in March she tested positive for COVID-19.
It didn't affect me that seriously. I don't know whether I was that sick. I don't think so.
She said she was lucky. Her symptoms were very mild and is now recovering in her room. But when she was 2, she caught the Spanish flu. She says her family didn't talk about it too much, so she doesn't remember that much.
I'm just lucky to be alive, that's all.
But now she sits in her room and waits for the pandemic to end. And for being 103, she's very happy the virus didn't harm her as bad as it could have.
I've been extremely healthy, and I still feel extremely healthy. So it must not have affected me as bad as it did others.
So after surviving the Spanish flu and the coronavirus, she says there's no secret for keeping up her health.
Just normal living. I haven't done anything special. I raised 5 kids.
She also gave a piece of advice for anyone who contracts the virus while living in a nursing home.
Stay in your room and keep yourself clean, that's all. We're just living one day at a time. We still are living one day at a time in here.
In Boardman, Jacob Thompson, WKBN 27 First News.